they are. Oh my gosh, really? It just tricked us.
I got one on my camera. Easy 100 more to go. Oh, I got new ones.
You got that?
Oh, yeah, I did.
You got that?
Uh-huh.
My God.
I did not. Oh my gosh. I'm getting a lot of these good lightning fights. Hey, move your big head. Oh my God. At least I got that one on camera. I'm of course gonna get views. Oh my gosh.
You got that?
Yeah, I did.
You're getting all of them.
Yeah, you did. Because I'm the master of camera already. Whoa, I'm getting all these.
You got that? Oh my. You really got that?
I'm not keep on getting these
It's
things.
blue lightning.
And I got that on my camera.
Uh-huh. It was like,
And I saw that.
what? You got that?
Yeah. And I got that too.
What? You got that?
I got that on my camera.
You saw that?
Yep, I saw it and I got it on my camera.
That's what's so good.
Yep.
Wait, was there something over there?
Yeah.
Who cares? Just watch it. And oh,
I'm getting, oh my God. I got that too. I'm getting all these lightning spikes.
once there's thunder, there's gonna be lightning. I just wanted to tell you that.
Okie dokes.
So there's gonna be some good lightning.
And I got that. Who's the
It
master
went
on
like behind the tree for a second.
But I got it. Yeah.
Who cares? Just
I'm just getting a lot of these.
what? You got that?
Yeah. I'm getting all these Connell. Ay, mamma mia. You know I'm the master of
I
filming
know.
now. And no, I'm not stopping filming yet. When this weather is over, I'm gonna stop. I got that too. Who's the master? I'm the master. Ba-dun. No.
Was there a lightning over there?
There was lightning right here.
There's gonna be a lot of lightning over there.
So I'm filming over there.
There's gonna be a lot of lightning. That's a lot of thunder. So
I got that.
you got that!
I actually got that, Connell. On your birthday, you don't get work. If the storms happen. What do you say? Give it up.
It's barely even raining, and there's so much.
It's
A lot of
It's
lightning.
not even white.
Lightning's coming.
Oh my god. It's not raining, Connell. It's just sprinkling. What the poop? What was that? I think I got that on camera. I don't.
You got that rumbling, but wait, there's gonna be a lot of lightning.
So I better be prepared. I got that.
You got it.
I'm getting a lot here, Connell.
Oh yeah, Hunter's birthday is tomorrow, so this is birthday luck. Don't do that. There could be a random lightning strike without thunder. Oh my god, that was the best one so far.
I only got half of it.
Why? Because of your finger?
No, I just got.
Oh, you got half of it because of the tree.
But I did get the one that was like.
Wow!
Oh my
You
god.
filmed that, right?
Yeah, I did.
The ones that are really quick, you have to pay attention to. Sometimes you won't even see it and the camera will.
When we watch it, we can see it.
There's gonna be so much lightning right now,
Yeah.
and it's all over there. Just wait.
Oh.
That wasn't a lot.
Yeah, no.
You didn't even see the strike.
Kaboom!
Boring!
Ballin'! Oh,
It hurt us!
MZ. What did it say?
Will it be boring or no?
It said lightning.
Oh no, maybe it said,
It said
we'll
what?
bring you bolts.
It said lightning
I guess.
because
Was there like a bolt? That was good, thank you.
Nah. Do you like us? Make a good lightning fight if you like us.
Yes! You got that?
Yep, I did.
Oh my god, thank you!
I guess it likes us because it did a good one.
Oh my god!
It likes us, Connell.
Do you like us? Make a very good lightning strike right in front of us.
Yeah.
Or over there. Over there.
Yeah, over there. It's gonna be so good. Pay attention to the camera. Get out of here. You look.
I want to see if you can. I want to see if you can.
Make a very good one if you like us. Make a bad one if you don't like us.
We already know that it likes us. That was a good one. Just film it and keep it right there. Shut. No, you're fine. Do you like us?
Do you like us? Make a good one if you really like us.
You called them?
Yes, I did.
You like us?
Very much.
That
Thank
was
you.
great.
Yeah, I like you. What that your name is? Oh, he said call me. His name is Call Me.
Hi, Kami.
Hey, that's almost your name, but your name is Call Me, not Call Me.
Move that. Move your hand.
Maybe another one is called Amy. Wow.
But that one, when
Same
you like us.
Oh my god! He likes us a watch. I got that.
Carmi, thank you.
I got that. Thank you, Call Me.
Carmi, thank you.
That was a good lightning strike.
It's coming. It's coming.
Oh my-
Carmi loves us.
Call me. Stay here for
We're friends.
Yeah, we're friends with you. I like you very much.
We're friends.
We're friends.
Coming. Make a lightning strike if you say a happy face to us.
Yeah.
He said a happy face.
He actually does what we want to say to him. He's
Make a really good one if you really, 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 really like us.
yeah.
Carmi?
Call me, are you here? Call me still here.
Hey!
I thought Call me was gone.
Yeah, I was a little sad.
Yeah.
Now do you like thunderstorms? Because you get to name the thunders.
And you can see rainbows.
Oh, yeah. Do you really, 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 really like us?
And make a really good one if you like us super much. Oh, I got that.
We have 25 minutes left until bedtime. Carmi, do you really, 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 really like us? Oh, you answered my question before I could ask it. Before I could finish.
Okay, I think we're on to the next guy.
Okay, let's see. On to the next one.
You name this time, Connor.
Landon.
Landon's here. Great job.
Landon, can you make a very good one for us? Doesn't have to be that good because we're just starting to be friends.
Yeah.
But it can be a little good. We're
Yeah.
not forcing you to make one.
Mm-hmm.
It's just do whatever you want.
Yeah, because you're just a lightning.
Thank you.
Thanks. I didn't even get that out.
You didn't do anything. I wanna
You
see
didn't.
if you can. Landon?
Oh, Landon's here.
Or should we stick with Carmi?
No.
Carmi, come back!
Yeah, come here.
Carmi!
Come
Hi,
back.
Carmi.
Wait,
Okay, can you make something?
Kami's not here yet. Okay.
Oh, you got that?
Kami's here.
Carmi, I'm gonna give you a heart soon.
Because you don't even have
A cloud with a heart in the middle.
Yep.
Make more, please. I'll
Yay.
give you that.
Make a double lightning strike. I mean a lightning.
Make a really good one,
Yeah.
please.
That's way good. Thank you, Kami.
Make one around this area, please.
Yeah, we want to see it.
I'll really do it.
Like right in front of us.